Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your health and fitness knowledge with MyFitnessPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the MyFitnessPal app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account. You can sign up using your email address or through social media accounts. After signing up, proceed to answer a few questions about your health and fitness goals. This includes your current weight, target weight, activity level, and personal preferences. Next, familiarize yourself with the home dashboard. The dashboard displays your daily calorie intake, remaining calories, and nutritional summary. To log your meals, tap on the food button. You can add foods by searching the database or scanning barcodes for convenience. As you add meals, pay attention to the nutritional breakdown provided for each food item. Utilize the More tab to access additional features. Explore the Exercises section to log your workouts. You can manually input activities or select from a list of exercise categories. Take advantage of the app's community features by joining forums and groups. Engage with other users to share experiences and gain knowledge. Explore the Reports section to track your progress over time. This feature will help you understand trends in your diet and fitness levels. Set reminders to log your meals and workouts consistently. Staying consistent will enhance your understanding and retention of health information. Make use of the integration options with fitness wearables for seamless tracking. Regularly review your goals and adjust them as necessary. If you encounter challenges, don't hesitate to consult the help section or community forums. Continuously educate yourself by reading articles and tips within the app. Experiment with different diets and exercise routines to find what best suits your lifestyle. Stay patient and persistent. Improving your health knowledge takes time. With consistent use, MyFitnessPal can be a powerful tool in your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.